Hello, I'm in a 2018 Hyundai Elantra, and today I'm going to show you to turn on and off your front and rear windshield defrost. So first make sure your vehicle's on, which this is, and then we're going to look at these controls down here. This is your front defrost and your rear defrost. So this will turn on your front, and then this button would turn on your rear. The front is this all controlled with your fan settings. So if you want it to blow faster or lower, the temperature you want it to blow. And then sometimes you may want this AC activated even if it's cold, because say there's some moisture building up, that AC will help pull the moisture off to help prevent your windshield from fogging. So that would be the front, and then to turn it off again, you just push it and that turns it off, or turn the fan all the way off if you prefer. And then this rear, if you can see in the camera, there's some black lines going through the glass. Those black lines are like a heating mechanism. So with the defrost on, it activates those black lines to turn on and start melting any possible ice that might be on your rear windshield. And then for that one, if you want it turned off, you just push this again, and when the light's off, then it should be off. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.